Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. I want to evoke a little bit of emotion. You know, sometimes on Facebook and probably on other social media platforms, we hear people question, is the hobby dying? Is FPV dead? What's its status? And it makes us a little bit crazy. It might make you eye roll. It might make you submit a meme or something of that nature. But today I bring to you awareness about a project that can help move the hobby forward. A project called DroneHackers. You may have seen it on Facebook. I've seen it on Facebook, and that's why I'm bringing it to you today. Let's take a quick look at a little snippet.
This is how we get done. This is how we do it
The team has 72 hours to complete a huge aerial engineering project.
As you know, time is one of the most crucial aspects in emergency response scenarios. Here's your challenge. Develop a UAV that can travel 1.3 air miles with a top speed of 100 miles per hour. Carry a small payload, which has been provided. If you succeed, your project will be added to the vault.
So you can probably see where this is going. Several of our own FPV quad enthusiasts, their goal is to create an episodic sort of mainstream entertainment through quads and FPV. And they're needing our help. They need us to kind of gear back our budget on quads and maybe give them a few dollars. And I know I'm going to be a backer. If I haven't by the time you've seen this already, I'm going to be a backer. This is something I could definitely get behind. I'm going to take part of this month's quad budget and I'm going to put it towards sponsoring this Kickstarter. Probably the best thing I can do this month, really. I will continue to bring the content I bring, but some of the money that I typically use to fund this channel, it's going to go over to that Kickstarter. Now, just like with any other Kickstarter programs, you'll find where they have tiers. You can get merchandise, you can get mentions in the episodes. There's all sorts of interesting tiers there, and I encourage you to go take a look. And if you're not interested in any of the rewards that you might get through being a backer, you can also just throw them a few dollars and say, thanks. There's all sorts of content on the Kickstarter page that you can watch. I highly encourage you to go look over there, take a look at their content. Look down in your wallet, see if you have a few dollars, and click that button to become a backer. So head over there now. Stop watching this video, just get out of here. Head over to Kickstarter, take a look at their stuff, and click that button. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.